How's it going, guys? My name is Kim Smart. Today we're doing a bit of an unboxing video. I've got the mini Bluetooth speaker. Let's focus on that. The mini Bluetooth speaker from Kmart. $7. Let's get it. I honestly don't know what sizes of this or anything, so. Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is the speaker. Let's get it out. Speaker. That's how small it is. With your mini USB charging. With your aux. Focus. Got your calling button, and got your power on off. See if it's got any juice. Well, it's on, and yeah, let's get the charger in there. Anyway, guys, that's just a little bit unboxing video for you guys. Yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.